So I can show an idea of this too. This is the new development under pre-selling. And this one's up high on the hill, so you actually get a view of the ocean. There's the ocean right there. You can see the sun shining off of it.
The main entrance will be located here. We're located on this area right now. So the land, it will be located on the other side. This road will be going to the future retail area.
Okay.
And then the future clubhouse will be located somewhere on that road. The blue ones will be the classification, will be the horizon lots, meaning you have a guaranteed view of the sea.
Ah, okay.
So it will be located, we're standing here right now, so all the ones that we're showing
That are right here.
right here.
What about down here? There's nothing down there?
Well, in the future, we will put up another neighborhood or something that the community needs, but we don't have any
You're not selling any lots there though.
as of the moment.
Alright, now we're at the townhouse area. They only have one unit left for sale, huh? Pre-selling?
1 unit left.
One unit, last unit. It comes with the parking?
Yes sir, you have a 2 slots parking space.
2 slots.
Per
Okay.
unit.
Nice.
So it's a quad unit, meaning it's divided into 4, all corner units.
Oh, this is way bigger than it looked on the internet. I looked at this one on the internet.
It was 67 square meter. This is the actual turnover unit, except you don't have any air cons and water heater. But the rest of it, that's the actual turnover unit.
You got a bathroom here. Oh, it's a full bath. This is the maid's quarters?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, we got a bathroom in here too. And then, so this is for a sink, I guess. But no, that's washer and dryer. But you have to have the stackables.
Go upstairs. And this is the master's bedroom. This is the second room. Then you have an attic upstairs.
Yeah, I just noticed it's 3 levels. I didn't know that either. Masters with a balcony. Nice closet. Small bathroom. This is a pretty good size room too. They should have gave 1 more foot to the bathrooms. But I guess this is the smoking area. Storage. Ooh, it's hot up here. This ain't a bad size either. What is this considered a bedroom? Or?
Yeah, you can turn it into a bedroom.
You got another closet area here. Did this not have a closet in it? Oh, it does. Yeah.
It belongs to the top.
So this is listed as a 2-bedroom plus maid's
Yeah.
quarters or 3-bedroom?
2 bedroom and then plus attic.
Plus attic. Yeah, this is spacious down here. So we're at the condominium buildings now, and they're building a new one, but this has an actual display room one that we can check out. And the parking's underneath here. Over here. Six floors. Nice. Hallway has a breeze. Oh, of course it does.
Oh, this is a 2-bedroom. Well, technically, this is a 1-bedroom convertible into 2-bedroom.
This is what the 2-bedroom will be like?
Yes, sir, but it has a different layout.
Okay.
Comparing to this 1-bedroom, 1 unit of 1 bedroom will be located here, but on the other building, the master's bedroom will be located here, then the second room will be located on the other side. So you have a direct view of the sea on
Oh,
the
yeah.
master's bedroom. That's
Yeah,
the building
that's
B.
nice.
Building E All two bedroom will be facing in front, one bedroom on the other side.
That's the new building going
That's the
up
newest
now.
building. It will be turned over by first quarter of 2021. This is Zambales already, Western Province, Subic will be on the other side.
What is it? This is Zambales right here?
That's the mountain of Zambales. You could also enroll your Anvaya, your unit under Anvaya leasing program.
Mhm.
It's like they're making this as a hotel also. That's an option for you if you don't want to
And Anvaya will take care of
take
it
care
all.
of everything. These are the furniture package that they offer once you enroll it under with them directly.
And then if we want to come here, we can use our unit.
Yes, sir.
This bathroom's a lot nicer than the other one. And it leads into the bedroom also. You're thrown in a separate room. Bathroom has its own place. The toilet. Yeah, this is nice. I like this bathroom setup much better. All these bathrooms are way nicer than the others. And then I guess that would be the master bedroom, but it's locked off from us.
Yeah, oh, yeah. The master's bedroom will be located there. This is like a small room with 2 single beds inside. I don't know why it's locked.
Oh, it's okay, no problem. So this is the smaller one, right?
Well, this is a 2-bedroom unit. We have a 1-bedroom for sale for that particular building, but the only remaining units left there is only 2 bedroom.
So the 2 bedrooms like the same square footage of this, or it's bigger?
It's quite, the sizes there will be starting at 86 square meter.
86.
Here, this is 90 square meters. So you have 4 square meter difference.
Okay. And the price around
Roughly around 18 million.
18. This is the entrance to the beach club. Afternoon.
We have the reception here.
So we're getting close to the ocean area, right? With the restaurant and stuff?
Yes, yes. We'll pass by the restaurant.
Afternoon, so.
Then there's a library here exclusive for
The library?
the members.
Library lounge.
This is the shop for the if you want to buy stuff. Like for the beach.
Shorts and yeah, Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is the membership office. Then we have like a play area. Play like there are
For
what do you
kids?
call this? Yeah. Xbox, PS4, and it's all here. It's like a game lounge. Then there's the activities that we can do. So during
Smells good.
weekends, they have like buffets, but only for weekends.
Yeah.
Then this is the kiddie pool. You can go inside.
A little water slide.
Yeah.
It's big. Pools.
Then there's also a play area for the kids, for the small kids.
What's that?
If you go up, you can just see the whole.
Oh, just a viewing deck. Those are the boats you rent
Yep.
to go out.
Or like a banana boat,
Mm.
water activities.
So it's basically the same as Pico de Loro and Ayala wrapped into one. Greenfield Estates and
Oh,
Pico
yeah.
de Loro wrapped into one. That's what I'm thinking. It's better to have one place than two to jump around.
Well, what's different is with Pico is the market here is different also.
So these are like rentals.
Yep.
Any
Anyone
member can use it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice view. Barbecue chicken nachos, fresh beans, beef bololo. Yeah, this is more Filipino style, I think. And buy a burger, triple decker, ham and cheese. No pizza? Fresh fruit platter. Huh? I didn't see it.
Oh, they don't have
Oh,
it here.
the
They have it on
different
the other,
menu
yeah.
at the other one. Okay. A big positive I forgot is their signal. 4G 5 bars, but does it work? And the answer is yes. And it works pretty good too. And it loads pretty quick too, so much better signal here. Even better than what I was getting in Subic Bay. Bar area, massage and everything in here. Hi. Can I see a menu? Okay, it's got the same stuff as over there, plus more.
Yeah, there's the pizza.
Oh yeah, pizza, there we go, 14-inch. Leaving the restaurant, we got koi fish here. Little koi pond. Double koi ponds, I think this is one too. Never mind, not full right now. And they have smoking areas. Nobody will care about that but me. Oh, next to the tennis court. That's a felt court. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. I think you'll break your leg here. These little places here are like rentals for guests of owners. It's all guests of owners only. And yeah, yes, you can see those. Nice little, what do you call them?
Which one? Casitas?
Casitas?
Casitas.
Casitas. Makes me want to say casinos. I don't know why. That's pretty cool. These aren't for sale though, huh?
No, no.
Another little restaurant?
Yes.
Afternoon. Oh, nice. Do you have indoor tennis court too?
Yes. I think that's badminton.
I know Greenfield Estates has indoor tennis courts and outdoor. It's pretty cool in here, considering it's just the doors open. Infinity pool. There's your hip hop Zumba class type area and the gym. All right, this is what I want to see. Good variety of machines. So you have to use the Smith machine to bench. Okay. Still doable. Oh, you got a pool tables and a game room down
Game
here?
room. Another game room.
Alright, I think that wraps up our tour of Anvaya Cove. So this looks huge, but this is the beach area. Those lots right there coming down to the beach area are by those little rental houses that go to the hotel, little hotel ones. That is called Brookside right here. And then South Grove is actually this one right here. That's the newest development where we could see the ocean a little bit. That's right here. So this is a future entry port. And then over here will be shopping and stuff. Yeah, those are the two pre-sellers right now.